Here is our climber, Stan. Hey, Stan. Hello guys, so today I'm super excited. I'm going on a trip which is full of uncertainty. I'm going for a camping, for a barbecue and stuff. And here is with me Stan, who is my friend from work. We are both going in his camper van. You can see behind me. So he has got a big camper van. He has the bed over there, and he invited me to join with him.
No,
so
you invited yourself.
Okay, he allowed me to join him. So here I am.
I allowed him to invite himself.
Where we are going, Stan?
Down Cape Jervis way.
Cape Jarvis. So we are going around Cape Jarvis, and his philosophy is simple. He would go with his camper van. He would stop wherever he wants. If he feels that this place is good, he would just stop. He would enjoy the nature, and that's his weekend. So, and I like it very much. So I'm going for the first time like this. I've heard about the camping and barbecue culture in Australia, but I'm experiencing it for the first time. And thanks to Stan. Thank you, Stan. Sun is getting down, and we are going to get some food from Woolworths, and then we'll go ahead. We bought some things for barbecue and stuff. Vegetarian for me, non-vegetarian for himself.
Later that same evening.
So guys, it's 8 in the night and we are at Parawa. I'll show you the place in the morning. Right now it's food time, so I'll show you what's going on. Give me a tour of this place.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keys for what? Okay.
So to get in here, this has to be locked when we travel because otherwise the doors open too much.
Yeah.
Your utensils, cooking utensils and things like that. This is goodies.
Okay.
There's dishwashing liquid in here, marinades for things. I've got a sink, so I use that to tip things in. Toilet in there if you want to use. Gas is here.
Okay.
I'll probably fry up my meat in here, and you can put your veggies there if you want, or you can put it in here if you like. I've only got one pan because I've travelled on.
So guys, here it goes. The lunch is ready, thanks to Stan. Carrot, onion, capsicum, vegetarian food with some juice. There's the plant.
Very tender.
Good cold night.
The next day.
The guy comes. Good morning.
Good morning. It's not good morning, it's good afternoon. It's 10 o'clock.
How was the night? Slept well?
Slept well.
Yeah. Okay guys, so here I am. This place is called Parawa, and that is a small town, and we spent our night here, and it is a safe place. So it's a beautiful place. When I woke up, this was the scenario I had. Yesterday it was raining all the night, and today it's a bit cloudy but a better atmosphere. So now I don't know where we are going, but we'll ask Stan where we are going and what's the plan. All right, Stan, so can you tell us what is the plan today?
Plan?
Yeah, what is the plan today?
You're asking the wrong person. I'm not a planner.
But you had something in mind.
Yeah, we will. We'll go down, walk down, we'll drive through Deep Creek National Park.
Deep Creek, okay.
And then we'll go for a walk down the gully to the beach.
To the beach.
About 1.5 kilometers one way.
Okay. It'll be fun.
But it's all downhill and uphill on the way back.
Okay. And right now it is sunny. Let's see how it goes. So guys, here we are. The breakfast is ready. I've eaten half of that. Coffee and this. We are going to sit there. Stan, how was the breakfast?
It's
You
cold
liked
now.
it? It's cold now, but you like it?
You talk too much.
I talk too much. That's why you couldn't eat fast. There is a word called Vruddha Sanyogam in our language. That means you should always talk with elder people. So Vruddha means eld and Sanyogam means together. So you should be with elder people. It's a great way of learning.
It is.
So that is what I'm doing. That's why your breakfast is cold. All right, guys. So we have packed it up, almost all of it. So we are ready. So Stan is going to drop some money over there. So it has written that if we are staying overnight, you can give us $5 so that we can maintain this place. It is not compulsory, but it's good to give $5. And we had a good stay over here. So it's good to give $5. Okay, ready to go again.
Ready to go again.
How many kilometers you reckon?
Oh, it's not long.
Not long.
Been about probably half an hour, maybe, because it's slow driving. We don't drive very fast.
All right, it's hilly. It's hilly area.
Oh no.
Just the normal one.
Yeah, but it's a dirt road.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's go.
actually,
So guys, here we are. Stan, can you tell us what place it is and
Oh,
tell a bit about it?
I don't know much about it, but it's fun to having walk down here.
It is called
Blowhole Beach.
Blowhole Beach.
1.5 k's.
1.5 kilometers walk one way, starting from here. So enjoy the walk.
Oh yeah, no. Not coming back this way. No, we'll let you go.
So Stan, how are you feeling now?
Good.
How is the view?
I'm pretty amazed by the view. Even though this is the second time or third time that I'm here.
Still it amazes you?
It does.
That's nature. So guys, here we are at the beach. People are playing cricket behind me, and it's a very good place to be. Guys surfing over there. So guys, we have started climbing from there. We climbed all the way up here. Stan went to that hill. Then he came here. And now here we are. It's raw nature, how I like it. So some people are there on the beach, but no one is here on the rock. Here is our climber, Stan. Hey Stan. Woohoo! So guys, here he comes, our climber, 65 years young climber. He's very fit and he's just like me. He enjoys the raw nature and it is amazing. I love it. So guys, it was amazing. The ocean is there and we went to that mountain. The guy is over there, if I think you can see that. So we went up that mountain and we came back, and now we are going somewhere else. I'm just ready for new adventure, whatever it comes. So I didn't ask him where we are going, but this place was amazing. I loved it. It was raw. Whole Australia has many places. If you are a nature lover, you can go where there are not many people and you can just enjoy the nature, and it is very peaceful. I love it, and I thank Stan. Thanks, because of him I am here. So guys, now we are going back. It's a uphill climb. Let's see how many minutes we take to get this climb done. Where we want to go is go up there, and behind that mountain is where our car is.
A few moments later.
And it was one of the best day in Adelaide. Thanks, Stan. Thank you, Stan.
You're welcome.
So, and how did you like with me? It was a good company.
He's a handsome fella.
All right. So now we'll pack it up and call it a day for now. Maybe we'll go somewhere else, but I think the day has ended, and it was one of the best day. The hike up was tiresome.
Someone was puffing.
Both of us.
Some two of us were.
And then you slept like anything.
Like a little baby.
Yeah. And I was there on the tree, just sitting with myself, talking with myself. So it was a good time. Nature is beautiful. All right. See you guys all. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about Australia. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.